Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new Threads app of Instagram. So first of all, you just need to open your Instagram app here. So Instagram Threads is a new app like a Twitter or messaging app. You can install or download from the Thread app. So first you need to go to your profile here, the right corner bottom, and then right corner upper here you will see a three-line menu here. If you tap on it, you will see an option called Threads here. So if you don't see this thread option here, you just need to update your Instagram app here. Then you can see the Threads option here. So you just have to tap on Threads here, and this will show you invite ticket here, which is also under there. You will see a get Threads here, and this is my account of the invite ticket here. So if you don't have this get thread ticket here, you need to update your Instagram app, and if you still don't have it, you have to wait for it, and then you just have to tap on this get threads here, and this will take you to the Play Store app here. You can also search in the Play Store app to Threads Instagram app, and then you just have to tap on install here, and it will start to download and install here. After installing the app, you just have to tap on open here, and the Threads app is opening here. And after opening the app here, as you can see, I can log in with my Instagram account here, and also you can switch your accounts. So if you have lots of Instagram accounts, you can switch account and log in there, but for now I will just log in with my Instagram account here. So just tap on my Instagram account, and then you can set up your profile here. You can write your bio or add some link here, or you can just import from Instagram here. And if you don't want to do this, you can just skip from it. There's an arrow button here, but I'm just going to import from Instagram here. So I'm creating an account here. Then click continue. Then you can choose public profile or private profile. So for example, I'm just choosing the public profile here. Click continue. And you can follow the same profile that you are following on Instagram. So I'll just tap on follow all here, and then just join Threads, and this will take you to the home page or the newsfeed of Threads here. And this is how it will look like, the newsfeed of the Threads here, as you can see. So all the posts that are getting likes are going to the up. So this is the newsfeed of Threads looks like, as you can see, much like Twitter here. And all the profile that you follow, it will show, or also the sponsored one or the suggested profile will show here. And this is the search option here. You can search any profile if you want to follow. So, and also this will suggested some profile that you can follow. For example, if I follow the Instagram here, and also you can unfollow like this. So that's very easy. And if you go there, you can, this is the option of if you want to write a thread here. And if you see there's an attachment option, you can also upload any photo here or any video. For now, I'm just showing you how to use this. And this heart means this is the activity option here. So this is my new account, so I don't have any activity. And if in the right corner, this is the profile option here. You can edit your profile. And if I go to this two-line menu here, and this is the option of the settings here, you can change your privacy, account language, and any other thing, just like Instagram here. So this is a Instagram messaging app inside the Instagram. So you just have to install it and create an account here. And if you tap on the left corner with the globe icon here, there's also some settings here. So if you turn on to profile, private profile, you can turn on here. And there's a lot of setting. I'm just showing you the basic things here, how to use it and how to get the Instagram Threads option here. So that's it, guys. This is how you can use and get the Threads new option of the Instagram app. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.